Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to recover data using iMyFone application. This is one of the best recovery expert application. So how to do it? We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So just simply open here new tab and just put it this particular link. I already put it this link in same video description and click here and look at this here. Currently I am accessing this website in Mac operating system, but you can use as a Windows and smartphone devices also. So look at this here, D-Block Hard Drive Recover Expert Best Mac Data Recovery Software, Recovery Deleted File, Mac Hard Drive, USB Pen Drive, SSD Drive or SSDs, camera, etc. Check first of all preview as a recoverable data, and then if you want recover the particular file, so you can very easily recover. Some basic informations are available here. You can go through this particular website. Will start as a free downloading. After finish the download, you just simply click and just simply click twice, open. So look at this, here is my D-Block for Mac. I simply install here. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon the installation process. Add here my password, system password. So look at this here, after installation such kind of framework is coming here. Device and drivers, 9 drivers you can select here, which drivers belongs in your operating system. Specific location, the trash, desktop or select specific folder. Advanced options are also available here. Can't find the location, recovery crash, computer, and important scan results. Before start anything, you need to first of all sign in. So as a sign in point of view, I just simply buy this license key of couple of days ago and I put it here my username and just I put it here my register code and then simply register here. So look at this, so my email address, license version I am buying for the 1 year, expiry date 23 5th of 12, one Mac only, not multiple. So here I will tell you little bit information about the packages. If you want buy this software, like here monthly, yearly and lifetime packages are available. For the 3 packages are available. If you go with monthly packages for 2 PC, $59.95. If you go with 1 year package 2 PC, $79.95. If you go with lifetime plan like a 3 PC, $99.95. Which one is suitable? You can buy and access for the recovery data. Very much affordable and suitable price, so that one is quite amazing for the recovery point of view. So look at this, now I will tell you how to recover the data. Simply I select specific location on my desktop and I type here passcode of the encrypted data, simply 12345, and look at this here, scanning is going on. Belongs I selected on specific folder in my desktop. So look at this here, I already found like a 279 file. Total size is a 2.06 gigabytes and entire data are comes here. As a recovery point of view, the software automatically distribute the data. Photo comes photo folder, video comes video folder, audio comes audio folder, documents come in document folder. So that one is amazing and you can save your time depend upon how many pictures you recover, videos and so on. So we can wait here till complete 100%, and just within a 1 minute I recover 2.06 gigabytes data. And you can select as a folder wise. If you want just recover photos, so you can select. If you want video, so accordingly. Otherwise you can select entire data, some recover the folder directly and give it to them as a particular location, which location you want save the data. Save the data. So look at this, data are recovered here very fast. Wait again, complete 100%. So data is recovered. So look at this, my entire data is recovered within a minute. So comes here in archive related like a zip file, audio related like a 3 audio files I recover here. Documents, again documents are distributed as a separated PDF, different text, Excel file, docx and doc file. Photos also distribute as a different extension, depend upon which extension your photo belongs in you. So all photos are recovered here. It's really amazing and you can access very easily entire data. Some videos, so videos also movies and MP4. So MP4 related all videos are restored within a minute using iMyFone D-Block application. That one is quite amazing software for the data recovery. You can go back here. Accordingly, you can select as an external hard drive or external pen drive also. If you connect external pen drive and then recover the data, so you can select and as it is apply what exactly I am applying here of my desktop related scanning folder. It's quite amazing and interesting software like iMyFone. Some of the important key points here: iMyFone are introducing best iPhone data recovery software. Also, using the software you can recover your iDevices, iTunes, cloud, third-party programming backup, and selecting some deleted photos, WhatsApp message, and some other data. Using this application you can recover your iPhone related data, as well as Android related application also available. If you are crash some Android data, so you can recover very easily like WhatsApp Messenger or other data backup using iMyFone application. That one is quite amazing. I already put it all link in same video description, so you just simply click the particular link and come the platform iMyFone D-Block for Android or D-Block for iOS. If you are facing some problem, you can comment me on comment section. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.